shoes. There's some things that you buy that you regret immediately. I knew instantly that I made a huge mistake buying those shoes, but there's some things that you buy, you're like, yo, I love it at first, and then after a little time, the novelty and newness wears off, and you're like, yo, why the hell did I buy that? Like my old car. When I first got it, I was like, yo, this thing is dynamite, right? I loved it. I was racing all around like the 1 mile that I actually drive a day, and then after about 6 months, I'm like, no. But there are some things that you buy and you're like, yo, why the hell didn't I buy these sooner? Today, gentlemen, I'm going over 7 of those things that I personally wish I bought sooner, starting with number 1. My bike. Gentlemen, there aren't many things that I have bought that I've enjoyed more than my little 1-speed bike. For me, there's absolutely nothing better, more therapeutic than getting on my bike on the weekends and just rolling around town, right? The beautiful thing about a bike, guys, it's great exercise, it's also incredible transportation, plus it's just good being outside, hanging out, and just seeing the town. Right, ladies? Hey! Number 2 is kind of weird, but just go with me for a second, let me explain, and it's that, right? That is a home water filtration system. You're like, yo, are you actually flexing your water filtration system? And the answer is hell yeah. So this may come as a surprise to you, but the water coming out of your tap at home is pretty shitty. So I started doing the research and I ended up putting that home filtration water system on my house. The cost was like $1,000. And then I'm like, all right, $1,000, is it really worth it? And then after 3 months of having the filters, I changed them. I saw that and I was like, damn, I wish I did that sooner, right? So here's the deal, guys, regardless of if you get a whole house filter or something that just screws on to the faucet that you're actually getting your tap water or your drinking water from, that is at least better than not doing anything at all. Number 3, my glasses. So here's the deal. These were the first frames that I ever bought. They were Prada. I got them from like one of those stores in the mall. I spent like $700. But I could see, and I also look smarter and sexier because glasses are like a super badass accessory you get to wear on your face. Unfortunately, I got totally screwed buying these. But then I found GlassesUSA.com, today's video sponsor, and my love for glasses turned into, let's say, an obsession. This is my glasses collection. Do you think I have a problem? Told you I love glass, and I also love GlassesUSA.com because the only way that I can afford to rock as many different styles and frames as I do is because GlassesUSA.com is going to give you up to 70% off of what you're going to find the glasses like on retail. GlassesUSA. What do you think of these, right? I wanted to try something a little bit clear, sort of badass. Yeah, exactly. I love these. These are sick, right? Anyway, guys, if you dig any of the glasses that I'm showing, I'm going to link to them all down below. But here's the bottom line. Glasses USA has over 6,000 different frames and sunglasses. Now, of course, they've got all the high-end brands like Armani, Gucci, Oakley, Ray-Ban, but me personally, what I love are their house brands. They've got a brand called Muse, which are these frames. They've also got these. These are Muse. What do you think? The matte gray, right? I wanted to try in both colors, and because the price point, are you ready for this? A complete set of glasses, including the frames and prescription lenses, start at $30. $30 freaking dollars. Gentlemen, it doesn't get any more affordable. Another one of their house brands that I love, right? These are from the brand Atoto. I think that's how you pronounce it, right? The tortoise, super sexy. Here's another pair, right? These are so sick. They've got something that I absolutely love that you should go and check out. It's called the virtual mirror. The way that it works, you upload a picture of yourself, and then you get to just try on the different styles, the different colors of glasses to see what they're actually going to look like on your face. What do you think of these? You dig them? Whatever. There's a link down below. That link is special. It is custom to us. If you hit that link, you're going to get an incredible deal off your glasses. You're also going to get free shipping. And if you like any of the glasses that you saw me rocking, gentlemen, I'm going to link all those down below as well. Guys, GlassesUSA.com is the only place you should shop for amazing frames. The 4th thing I wish I bought sooner because it would have saved me a ton of money is a custom suit. So come here, let me show you something. All right. So see all these are suits that I got from Suit Supply. Now, originally when I found Suit Supply, I was like, damn, oh my God, it's amazing, and all the fit is from right? Well, here's the deal. At the time, that's all I knew, right? Because I had never actually gotten a custom suit. And then one day I was like, yo, let me just try it, see what all the hype is about. And I got one, gentlemen, let me tell you something. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, custom suit, oh my God, I can't afford that out. Well, here's the deal. If I added up all of the off-the-rack suits that I actually purchased, I could probably probably afford to buy like 5 custom suits, because the truth is, off-the-rack suits are not like super inexpensive. And the other reality is that you can find some incredible deals on custom suits. Number 5. These jeans. Skinny jeans, baby! It's all about the skinny jeans for this guy. Whoa, skinny jeans? I thought they were gonna be like super skin tight. That's what I thought. And why? I used to rock slim fit. I don't think it's a quote, that it's slim fit. When I slipped these jeans on, I was like, yo, where have you been my whole life? Because A, they were crazy comfortable, they had some stretch in it, and B, they were the appropriate length. Gentlemen, look at the length, right? The reason why these aren't like bunching at my ankle because I'm a shorty is because they're actually a 28-inch inseam. So this tip falls under short guy problems. All right, for you dudes out there that are average or tall, you have no idea what I'm talking about. But the truth is that the shortest inseam that a dude can find in a store is a 30-inch inseam. Now, the reality is that if you're like 5'8", 5'9", 30 inches is perfect. But if you're 5'6", 5'7", 5'5", gentlemen, it's baggy, it's bunchy, it's super long. And so when I realized that some of these stores online sell shorter inseams, it was like game over, forget about it, thank you very much, I'll take 7. The 6th thing I wish I bought sooner was something to protect myself with. Gentlemen, here's the deal. I am a firm believer of personal protection, right? Whether or not you want to buy a gun, whether or not you want to buy like some type of like everyday carry like knife, you want to buy a home security system or a baseball bat, like whatever it is. So for me, it was about peace of mind. I had a situation that happened where I was very vulnerable, and it scared me. It scared my wife, and so from that moment, I decided that I didn't want to be a victim, and so I have taken measures and bought things that have allowed me to feel more protected. Now I'm being cryptic, but the bottom line is this, all right? I'm not saying that you should run out and buy guns or anything like that, but you should have a way to protect yourself if somebody breaks in, if somebody assaults you. For me, it's about peace of mind and it's about protecting yourself. Because there are some crazy ass people out there, and even though you're amazing, gentlemen, speaking of it, wait, well, hold on. I think we forgot something. Gentlemen, have you dropped me one of these on this video? If the answer is not yet, Alpha, I hope you just fixed it. Gentlemen, come on, I need all the help I can get. Because this algorithm, woo mama, she, woo, bitch. And last but certainly not least, the 7th thing that I personally wish I bought sooner was a pair of white leather minimal sneakers. So here's the deal. I have not always been a huge sneaker fan, right? I'm definitely not a sneakerhead by any stretch of the imagination. I'm a boot guy, right? Winter, summer, actually not summer, but I love boots. I love boots, right? They make me feel like a badass. Well, then I started seeing like all these people with these white minimal sneakers. I'm like, all right, I wonder if I could actually rock them. I'm like, I don't know, is it me, is it me? And then I found these and I bought them and I was like, yo, they're pretty sick. And then I wore them and I was like, yo, these are great. And then I wore them again and again and again and again, and then I was like, how the hell did I not own sneakers before? A bonus, something that not necessarily I wish I bought sooner, but I'm really glad I bought, because I need to redeem myself. I have had horrible luck with cars, but my car now, I love. And what I've come to realize about myself is that I, in my head, am a sports car guy, but in my soul, I'm an old man who wants a sedan. And this car kind of meets the criteria. It looks super badass, but it's super comfortable and cushy, right? Yeah, cushy, exactly. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on my car, because as you guys know, who've been following me, I suck when it comes to cars. But gentlemen, today, these 7 things that I told you about, I absolutely wish I bought sooner. I still can't explain this.